Now I would like to explain about the transient response of series RC circuit with sinusoidal excitation by using differential equation method. So first consider a series RC circuit as shown in figure. Okay, this is series RC circuit. Input voltage V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. Here input voltage is AC and it equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi, and here switch closed at t equals to 0. So total circuit time minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus infinity to 0 minus switch position open position, and 0 plus to plus infinity switch position closed position. Here switch closed at t equals to 0. So now find the current expression I of t. So to find the current expression I of t, so apply KVL at t equals to 0. So t equals to 0, switch position closed position. So now apply KVL. So KVL equation. So here plus to minus V, okay, plus 2, okay, here minus is there and here plus, so minus to plus V. So next here plus to minus R into I, plus to minus voltage across the capacitor formula 1 by C integral I into dt. Here V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So equation R into I plus 1 by C integral I into dt equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So now differentiate the above equation, we get R into di by dt plus 1 by C into I equals to, so differentiation of sin omega t plus pi cos omega t plus pi into omega. So equation R into di by dt plus 1 by C into I equals to Vm cos omega t plus pi into omega. So next equation di by dt plus 1 by RC into I equals to Vm into omega by R cos omega t plus pi. Okay, let it is equation number 1. So it is in the form of di by dt plus P into I equals to Q. Here P equals to 1 by RC and Q equals to Vm into omega by R cos omega t plus pi. Okay, so we know that the complementary function or IC equals to C into e power minus Pt. Here P equals to 1 by RC. So IC equals to C into e power minus t by RC. So next one PI or IP equals to A into cos omega t plus pi plus B into sin omega t plus pi. Equation number 2, and it is equation number A. So now differentiate the above equation, we get dip by dt equals to cos omega t plus pi differentiation minus sin omega t plus pi into omega, sin omega t plus pi differentiation cos omega t plus pi into omega. So dip by dt equals to minus a omega sin omega t plus pi plus b omega cos omega t plus pi. Okay, equation number 3. Okay, now substitute equations 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substitute these two equations in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, so first di by dt equals to minus a omega sin omega t plus pi plus b omega cos omega t plus pi plus 1 by RC, and I equals to A into cos omega t plus pi plus B into sin omega t plus pi. So it equals to Vm into omega by R cos omega t plus pi. So next by taking sin omega t plus pi and cos omega t plus pi common, so the equation becomes sin omega t plus pi into minus a omega plus B by RC plus cos omega t plus pi into b omega plus a by RC equals to Vm into omega by R into cos omega t plus pi. So now by equating like terms on both sides, so we can write the equation. So first one, so both sides sin omega t plus pi terms. Okay, this side sin omega t plus pi term minus a omega plus b by RC, and this side equals to 0. So first equation minus a omega plus b by RC equals to 0. So next equation cos omega t plus pi terms b omega plus a by RC equals to Vm omega by R. So next equation b omega plus a by RC equals to Vm omega by R. So from this equation we can write a equals to b by RC into omega. Now substitute a in this equation. So this equation becomes b omega plus 1 by RC into a equals to b by RC omega equals to Vm into omega by R. By taking b common, b into omega plus 1 by R square C square omega equals to Vm into omega by R. and b equals to, okay, here b equals to Vm into omega by r into r square c square omega by 1 plus omega square c square into r square. So finally b equation, b equals to Vm into r into c square omega square by 1 plus omega square c square into r. So now substitute b in a equation. So a equals to 1 by rc omega into b, this is b. So finally a equation Vm into c omega by 1 plus omega square c square r square. Now substitute a and b in equation 2. So equation 2, this is equation 2. So substitute a comma b equations in equation number 2. So equation 2 becomes ip equals to Vmc omega by 1 plus omega square r square c square into cos omega t plus pi plus Vm into r square c square omega square by 1 plus omega square r square c square sin omega t plus pi. Rt equals to Vm into c square omega square by 1 plus omega square r square c square into 1 by omega c cos omega t plus pi plus r into sin omega t plus pi. Rt equals to Vm c square omega square by c square omega square into 1 by omega square c square plus r square into 1 by omega c cos omega t plus pi plus r into sin omega t plus pi. Next equation, so Vm by r square plus 1 by omega square c square into 1 by omega c cos omega t plus pi plus r into sin omega t plus pi. Here omega square c square cancel. This is the next equation. So next one, this equation we can write. So Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega square c square into 1 by omega c into root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square cos omega t plus pi plus r by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square sin omega t plus pi. Okay, let 1 by omega c root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square equals to sin theta. Okay, this is sin theta and this is cos theta. R by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square equals to cos theta. So theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by omega c square. Okay, by using these two equations, if we find tan theta, we get tan theta equals to 1 by omega cr and theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by omega cr. Now substitute these two equations. So next equation, this equation becomes Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square into this one sin theta into cos omega t plus pi plus cos theta into sin omega t plus pi. Rt equals to, okay, Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square into sin omega t plus pi plus theta. Okay, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, it equals to sin a plus b. So equation sin omega t plus pi plus theta. This is IP equation. Okay, we know that the total current expression I of t equals to Cf plus Pa. So Cf equals to C into e power minus t by Rc and it is Pa. Pa equals to Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square sin omega t plus pi plus theta. So next, by using initial condition, so find this constant C value. So here circuit RC circuit, in RC circuit Vc of 0 minus equals to Vc of 0 plus. So here t equals to 0 minus, switch position, open position. So t equals to 0 minus, the voltage across the capacitor equals to 0. So in case of capacitor, Vc of 0 minus equals to Vc of 0 plus. So Vc of 0 plus value equals to 0. Say t equals to 0 plus, the voltage across the capacitor equals to 0. So the voltage across the any element equals to 0 means it acts as a short circuit. Say t equals to 0 plus, the capacitor acts as a short circuit. In that case, the voltage equals to V and circuit total impedance value equals to R. Current equals to formula voltage by impedance. So here a t equals to 0 plus, the current equals to V by R. Here V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So I of 0 plus equals to V by R. V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So I of 0 equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi by R. A t equals to 0. Substitute t equals to 0. We get I of 0 equals to Vm sin omega into 0 plus pi by R. It equals to Vm by R into sin pi. Okay, next substitute. I of 0 in this expression by substituting t equals to 0. So this equation becomes I of 0 equals to Vm by r into sin pi equals to c into e power 0 plus Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega square into c square sin omega t plus pi plus theta. Okay, t equals to 0 here. So c equals to Vm by r into sin pi minus Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c whole square into sin pi plus theta. This is constant c. Now substitute constant c in this expression. So final expression I of t equals to c into e power minus t by rc. C equals to Vm by r into sin pi minus Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c whole square sin pi plus tan inverse of 1 by omega cr e power minus t by rc. Here theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by omega cr into e power minus t by rc plus pi. Pi equals to Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c whole square sin omega t plus pi plus tan inverse of 1 by omega cr. Here the first term, okay, total this term indicates the transient response of the network, and it is steady state response of the network. This response is depends on time. Okay, that's why it is called transient response, and this response is independent of time. So it is a steady state response. Okay, here the given circuit is series RC circuit, and input is AC supply. The supply voltage equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So first write KVL equation. So next convert this equation like first order differential equation. Okay, next by using this equation find CF and PI. This is CF and this is PI. So next find PI differentiation. So next to substitute IPI and di by dt of PI in equation number 1. So next find constants a comma b. So by substituting a comma b in equation 2 we can write PI equation. So next total response I of t equals to CF plus PI. Next by using initial condition find constant C value. So finally this is the current equation. So AC response of series RC circuit.